I just want to make a note. This is a YouTube video. I have a standard YouTube license. And I am not copywriting in any way because I know one of my videos got blocked recently. I'm just going to let that note that I'm not copywriting anything. These are the original songs. I didn't do no altering or no nothing. Just the original music. If any of these are copyrighted, they are not my responsibility because I did not copyright them. This is just a sound demo. Please, YouTube, people at YouTube, please don't block my videos. I'm not copying anything. I'm not copywriting anything. I'm just playing audio tests. So, I hope YouTube hears this. But I'm just going to play this song. I hope they don't block it because I just made a note that I'm not copying anything. So I'm just going to play it. Now, I'm going to show off half a volume. Half a volume, quarter a volume. That's a quarter. 14.0 is half a volume. This is dB scoper. This is not volume, this is dB scoper. I'm going to just store it out, show you how much power I have. Damn, this thing is off a shitload of power. But like I said, half a volume. Normal listening level will be 36.0 dBs. And it still fills this room. So half a volume is 14.0. Thank you for watching. This is just to show that the old school lineup of audio equipment that DJs used to use still got a little pep in their step. So thank you for watching. Most of these units are used for home theaters and stuff like that. But thank you for watching YouTube. Or people, have a nice day. Like, subscribe. And like I said, I am not copywriting anything. YouTube, I hope you know that. Please don't get mad at me again, because you did block one of my videos. But I'm not copywriting anything.